Hello, this is Matheus from Spotahome, Porto. I'm going to show you this very nice house located at Rua de Faria de Guimarães, Porto. We are near Porto downtown. We have buses around just near the house that can take us to the city center. We have the metro station of Marquês that's around 10 minutes from here walking. And the first thing I want to show you is the living room. This house has three floors. This is the ground zero. Okay, the living room. All right, that's the view we have from the living room. Now this street view. Here we have Quinta do Covelho. It's a very nice park. As you can see, you can walk, we can run in here. It's a very nice space, a green space in the heart of the city. So just another view of the living room. Okay, that's the main door. We have these stairs here. Okay, then we have this corridor. Here the living room. Then we have this bathroom here. Okay, shower. And here we have the kitchen. It's a full equipped kitchen. Look how nice it is. It's so spacious. Okay, refrigerator, microwave. Have the table here. Washing machine, dishwasher. And then we have this very nice space outside here. We have this courtyard. Yeah, we have this little balcony here. And then we have that garden, that space here. It's a very big courtyard. It's a very nice house. So this was the ground zero. Now let's check the first floor. Let's go upstairs. And on the first floor, we have 3 bedrooms. This is the first one. Big mirrors, as you can see, chest of drawers. We don't have wardrobes, but we have much space here to keep our luggage. Okay, then we have these 2 chairs here, and the view is the same view we have from the living room. That's the Quinta do Covelho. Another view of this room. Now let's see. We have this bathroom on the first floor. Okay. Bathtub. We have these closets here. Outside, we don't have closets in the bedrooms, but we have a closet here, these wardrobes in this corridor. So it's very nice. It's another bedroom. Okay, and from here you can see the courtyard. And the third bedroom. In this one we have this desk here. Just another view, because this one is it's a little bit bigger. Okay, that's the courtyard, as you can see here from the window. So we just saw the first floor of the house. Now let's see the sub-zero. Here we are again on the ground zero. Now let's go underground. Okay, and then in here in this floor we have this hall, as you can see here. We have this toilet. Then we have this bedroom here. Okay, just another view. Okay, and then we have here this door. Okay, then it goes directly to the courtyard. Okay, so another view of this bedroom. And at last we have it's very nice of the house, and because we have this little bar here, chairs. It's a very nice space. Just another check. So it's a very big house. 4 bedrooms, 3 floors, located here almost close to the city center of Porto. So this was Mateus from Spotahome. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.